Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. It's our day off. It's a beautiful sunny day. Started off a little gloomy, but it cleared up fast, so we decided we're gonna go on a little scooter ride.
It's always hard leaving him behind, but I bribed him with cookies.
Alrighty. Not bring the microphone with me because I can't walk around with 700 feet of cord. We're gonna go to flea markets and library.
Yep.
All right.
I know.
So I get my little Harley here started up, get it warmed up, and we're gonna take off. Well, we kind of got sidetracked on that last RV. Right now, because I got sidetracked, we're down here looking at a little J-Cove. And this would be perfect for a single person. Well, I guess two people could do it easily. It's probably an 18-footer, single axle little J-Cove with a canopy. As soon as you step in the door, you have the dining area. It's like our little Winnebago we had in it. It's exactly like it. Well, newer, obviously, but
bigger though, because it even has spaces.
But this has the bed in the back. It even has a bathroom.
Yeah, it's a wet bath.
Oh, this is just like a little Winnebago we had. I mean, newer, of course, but setup, I mean. But the front is the dining area, which you got a little TV, a little radio. All your information is up here. I got distracted again. Battery fresh, gray tank, all your pumps. Electric awning. Oh, it even has a microwave, which is kind of useless unless you're on electricity all the time. Has a refrigerator. Is this a three-way? Nah, yeah, no, electric. Yeah, I think this is a three-way. 2-burner stove and a little sink. It's cozy. It is that. Pretty neat. Oh, it's a 17-foot. I said 18, but counting the tongue, it's probably 18. Our next one is a gray wolf. I'm not going to show every single one of them to you here because there's a lot, but we're going to go find the one that has the upstairs. It has like a loft, like stairs. That's the one we want to go check out. But since we're by this gray wolf, let's go ahead and look at it. It's a rear door, 19 foot. I'm looking this time, it's 19 foot. Oh, so you come in the back. Oh, this is a toy, what they call a toy hauler. Oh, this whole wall comes down. It's like a ramp. So, yeah, this would be a kitchen table folds up. This is one of the toy haulers.
Okay.
You like put your motorcycle or something in it, which I wouldn't want that in my actual living space. But here comes obviously a sink. 3-burner stove, microwave, which seems to be pretty common theme. Wow. Oh, well, I don't know how to get the refrigerator open. I don't want to break it. It's the nomadic refrigerator. Pretty common. Has a sideways bed, or that's how they got it made. Yeah, I mean, it could work, I guess. Has a great window in the bedroom. Already pre-wired for antenna and cable TV. Has roof air conditioner. And that last one we looked at, that one right there, the guy said it was $43,000. This one here that we're in now is $23,995. Pretty expensive. Alright, so I'm going to, instead of boring you with every single one, I'm going to turn this off and then we'll find that one upstairs.
We found our first 2-bedroom loft style camper.
This is the one I was telling you I was looking for. It's a Cedar Creek. I didn't catch the size, but it's huge. Way more than what we would want. But we didn't come in the door. Let me get turned around here. That's the front door, which is about closer to the front of the camper. You come up these stairs into the master bedroom. Probably the only bedroom, but your typical sideways, huge bed.
It's got the hookups for the washer and dryer. Yeah.
So it has a walk-in closet, and I'm going to call it that. It's dark, I know you can't see.
Prefer side by side.
But we're in the nose of the camper, the parts you hook up to your tow vehicle. So we're going to go back down the stairs. First, beside the master, has a huge shower. I like that. Your typical toilet, nomadic toilet. They're all the same. You've seen one, you've seen them all. Comes with the exhaust fan. But the part I want to show you is in the back. And your typical, seem like they're all got little fake log fireplaces and big TV. This is a slide out of 2 recliners, your dining room table. Again, that's the front door you come in, your kitchen with chandelier and huge ceilings. They're probably 10 foot tall. 4-burner stove, 2 sinks, side by side freezer and refrigerator. In the rear is your, looks to be your living area. TV room, whatever you want to call it. TV, some storage for whatever, another chair. Oh, and your rear door with another toilet. No shower, just a toilet. But the part I'm excited about, because I haven't seen this before, it has an upstairs. It's probably like a kid's bedroom, so to speak. Yeah, because you can't even stand up here. I want half upstairs, and right here's the ceiling. It's for children. I guess an adult could sleep up here, but it'd be, yeah, you'd raise up and bang your head in the middle of the night. It's just pretty cool to see it upstairs. You gotta watch that last step. It's a doozy. It's a doozy. Yeah, it's got an upstairs. That's pretty cool. So they're gonna charge you another 50 grand for that upstairs. Oh, here's the spec sheet. Let me see if I can actually find a price for this guy. Well, it's not too bad if I can get this to focus. It is, yeah, okay, it's not going to focus, I'll just tell you. It's $98,000. Comes with generator, heat pump, hydraulic leveling system, dual pane windows, already has a backup camera. They don't really offer much here. 18-foot cubic gas electric refrigerator. That's about it, folks. They don't really offer much as far as extras for 100 grand.
What I like is when you're looking out, you actually can see straight out the windows. I feel like a lot of the campers that we've been looking at, you have to bend over a bit, but I'm looking just straight ahead, and you can see out. I mean, even in the back, on the side, all of the windows are high.
Yep. For 100 grand, I better be able to see out.
Really though, I feel like it's always upward. You're always kind of like tilting a bit to look out the window, unless you're sitting down.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty neat. I wouldn't pay $100,000 for this, me personally. I just want to see one from upstairs. Now, if this is what you want, this thing's awesome, but it's not. I don't think it would meet my needs. It's way too big. I know that don't make sense, being too big and not meeting my needs, but it's just too much. It's, yeah, full-time travel is just too much. Now, if you're going to be, say, going to Florida and sitting all winter and then going north and sitting all summer, I guess it'd be great. But if you're going to be moving, you know, every 2 or 3 weeks or every week, this is just too much. You don't want to be dragging this big sucker down the road all the time.
It's very deceiving on the outside, because this one looks very blah on the outside. When you get in, it's very modern. It's kind of got that, like, worn tan look.
Mm-hmm.
But you go inside, it's very modern and...
I was going to see how big it was, length. Normally they're on the outside, they'll have a number. I don't see a number on this one. It's at least... Oh, wait a minute, here's the specs over here. Maybe I can get a size off of this. I know I got you staring at the wall here, but I don't see a size. If I had to guess, it's at least 35 foot, if not a little bit bigger. Dog leash on the side of the camper.
Liz got a reminder, be sure to load your loved ones before moving the coach.
Mm-hmm. Well, one thing I want to show you real quick, when we come look at these new campers, they're like 50,000, 80,000, 100,000. We always notice damage. Like this one here, this door's not even put on right. If you see, there's no gap in the door down here. But if you look at the top of the door, there's a huge gap. The door's not even mounted right.
And the wallpaper on the inside was literally peeling off too, and the backsplash was cracked.
And we just looked at one that the door was all beat up, scratched up on, like
It was chipped all off.
looked like they had a bar fight in there or something. See,
2,200 miles to get here.
yeah, you just don't get what you pay for with these new things. They're junk. That's what they are. I hate to say it, but they're junk. Let's go look at some new Class A's.
A little bit junk.
They're junk.
Said they haven't been detailed. They just got here.
Detailing ain't gonna fix the door hung wrong.
$100,000.
$100,000. That door better be plated with gold and just swing with the breeze. Let's go look at the new Class A's.
Okay.
New Class A's. We stopped at the Love's on our little scooters to get us something to eat, and she knocked mine out of my hand.
Lies.
She was like, that's good, and smacked mine out of my hand, and I didn't get to eat it. When you have to save yourself.
Lies.
You knocked it out of my hand.
He tried to balance it on a seat on a windy day.
She seen how much I was enjoying it and smacked it out of my hand.
No.
We went to the little RV show over there. It's not really started yet. We just went and looked at something was open.
It was fun. It's been a while since I've been able to check out the inside of the other rigs. Last year probably, really.
Yep.
But, you know, it's really not that expensive. It's expensive for RVs, but when you compare a fifth wheel and a motorhome, there's a big difference in the price. Oh, look at those dogs.
We're gonna scoot over to the library now.
You want that chicken?
Yeah.
Not to put salt on your wound.
She knocked it out of my hand, and now wants me to give it to a dog. We're gonna scoot over to the library. Bye. We made it back from our little scooter ride. Got the scooters put up. Oop, there they are, put up. Got Dusty Krusty out here. Let him out.
He's so dirty. Look at my hands.
It's horrible. I don't know if that really come from the dog or not, but you know. But the sunshine went away. Now it's a cloudy, gloomy sky, but it's still nice weather though. It beats being in snow and freezing, it's rain, and yeah. But we're back home. I guess gonna kick back the rest of the day. Gotta work tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take it easy. So this is where we're gonna say bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. God bless.
Oh.